there, savvy investors! Ready to turn your 401k into a shiny golden nest egg? Click the link in the description below to get a special discount on your Gold IRA rollover. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, why a Gold IRA? Well, gold has been a trusted store of value for thousands of years. It's like that reliable friend who always shows up when you need them. Plus, it can diversify your portfolio and hedge against inflation. So, why not give your retirement savings a golden touch? Step 1. Find a custodian. No, not the janitor, but a financial institution that specializes in gold IRAs. They'll help you set up your account and guide you through the process. Look for a custodian with a solid reputation and excellent customer service. You want someone who will answer your calls, because nobody likes being ghosted, right? Step 2. Open your Gold IRA account. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to provide some personal information, just like opening any other account. Think of it as filling out a dating profile, but for your money. Once it's set up, you're ready to roll. Step 3. Initiate the rollover. Contact your 401k plan administrator and let them know you want to roll over your funds into your new Gold IRA. They might have you fill out some paperwork. It could feel like a mini homework assignment, but trust me, it's worth it. You can choose a direct or indirect rollover. Direct is the smoothest option, transferring funds directly from your 401k to your Gold IRA without you lifting a finger. Indirect means you get the check and have 60 days to deposit it into your Gold IRA. Just don't spend it on a shopping spree. Step 4. Fund your Gold IRA. Once your funds have rolled over, it's time to buy some gold. Your custodian will help you choose IRS-approved gold coins or bars. Remember, not just any shiny piece of metal will do. We're talking about investments here, not jewelry shopping. Step 5. Store your gold. Your precious metals need a secure home. Your custodian will arrange for storage in an approved depository. Think of it as a high-security vault, James Bond style. And there you have it. You've successfully rolled over your 401k into a Gold IRA. Now sit back and relax, knowing your retirement savings are sparkling like gold. Remember, always consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. And don't forget to click the link in the description below to get your special discount on a Gold IRA rollover. Happy investing, everyone!